Is this where we're going to stay, sort of towards and through year end in terms of price?
Yeah, I mean, I think we've seen obviously OPEC plus coming in and curtailing the downside risk on oil prices for now, and then once the OPEC plus put has been set up, we are now waiting for the Powell put. If we get a Powell put this week, I think we'll start to see prices gently trending higher. And our view is that heading into next year, prices will trend towards $70 a barrel on Brent, towards 58, 59 WTI, as long as global growth stays around trend. I mean, we don't need to see super strong growth, but just general 3.6, 3.7% global GDP growth, U.S. growth around 2.6, 2.8%. That should get us to that level of around 59, 70 WTI and Brent, respectively.
We had so many people come on during the course of the period that oil was around, let's call it the high 60s or even low 70s, thinking we'd go as high as 100. And since then, of course, we've all caught up with the story, whether it's the number of waivers for Iran or Saudi production or our own producers here of shale. Do you have a lot of confidence at this point at all in your sort of forecast?
Well, look, I mean, I think the supply side has been kind of fixed. We've had the four largest producers in the world, Russia, the U.S., Saudi Arabia, and of course Iran, going through an extremely volatile 6-month window in terms of production. And obviously that's made things very confusing, I think, for the market, right? And obviously we have a president here that likes to tweet. So that's also created a new layer of uncertainty in price direction. But on the whole, I think the supply side has been fixed, and I think the demand side is the one that is of greatest concern right now. Although again, I think that unless the Fed tightens dramatically over the next few months and keeps letting the balance sheet roll down, and we'll get a lot of guidance on that this week, I think we should get a better 2019. The dollar has also been very strong. That's going to be another factor holding oil prices back. I think the dollar is also a big important factor linked to that Fed situation. So I think all the eyes right now are on the demand side.